On June 14, 2025, deputies responded to a domestic disturbance call after a woman reported being injured during a heated argument with her boyfriend. What began as a routine call quickly turned into a domestic battery investigation.
Hello. So what do y'all got going on? Where's he at? Oh, okay.
Go ahead.
So what was here talking to me out here? Well, what's going on today, man?
Man, I've been home all day. Comes home. What's your file with me? Picks up a basket of, I don't know what's all in it, throws it down the hallway and picks up my metal detector and bashes it against the wall. Well, a piece of that metal detector come back here in the face. She's claiming I hit her.
Okay. This is your wife?
This is my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend? Yeah. Okay. So were y'all arguing before that, or just off the wall?
All day. She's been going all day. I've been laying on the couch all day. She comes home and this is what happens.
All right.
And she's my witness to that. She's been drugging me during the evening so I'd stay home because I like to fish a lot.
Yeah.
So she's been drugging me, and she's been sending them text messages saying that. She could kill me, really. I could have been allergic to what she was drugging me with.
All right, let me go talk to her. Sit back up here if you want.
I'm the one that brings this place here.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm okay. My hand hurts really bad.
So what's going on with you today?
My hand's messed up in my face.
Okay. Well, I understand that. How did it get like that?
We've just been arguing. He's I don't know, he's not answered the same in the last 2 weeks, and he's been staying gone all night. So I left today, and I stayed gone all day.
Okay.
And when I come back, I knew my daughter had to go to work and everything, so I gave her the keys, and he started ranting and raving, and we went into the bedroom, and he started throwing my shit around and jerking it off the wall and just, acting like an asshole. And then I picked up his metal detector, and I was like, if you're going to bash my shit, I'm going to bash your shit.
Okay.
And then he picked the metal detector up from me, and I don't know if he threw it at me or if he hit me with it, but...
Where did it hit you in the hand? Is that why you're bleeding?
It hit me in the hand, and it hit me in the side of the face right here.
Alright.
Like he threw it at my face.
Oh, sorry. It's going to close your eyeballs so it won't find you.
My nose is swollen. It hit me right here.
Okay, how did you injure your hand?
I don't know how it got injured.
Okay.
I don't know.
Did you cut it? I mean, did you stab your hand?
It
or?
just happened with all this conflict.
Right through here?
Yeah.
I'm going to take a look through there. Is anybody else in here?
No. There's a goat right there.
A goat? Yeah.
He is walking.
Take a look at it. That's all I care.
Oh, you want to put charges? Does he have marks too?
No.
I want to, but I don't want to. I want to because he needs it, but I don't want to because I love it.
Well, the reason why I'm asking you if you done it yourself, last time I was out here, you were cutting your wrist and all that shit.
I'm not doing that anymore. I didn't cut it this time.
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
I need you to fill this out for me, okay? The only thing you don't have to worry about is the case number up top, which is at the bottom. Just write down what happened for me. Huh?
He going to jail?
It's undecided yet, okay?
Okay.
What the fuck? Are you fucking shit, man?
I gotta lock my food on.
Is that you?
Yeah. Stepped on in something.
Don't boo-boo a bit.
Sorry that you.
All right, you mind if were you said you were a witness to all this?
No, I didn't see anything. I just heard.
Well, he's having you fill out a statement. That's why I was asking you
Because
what
I
you.
heard just commotion and stuff.
Okay. She didn't see anything. Just heard it.
She just heard. She's filling out a statement what she heard.
Get a light in here.
A light? Yeah. Come on. That one right there. It's here. I'll do it.
All right. Let me take a picture of your hand. So you don't know how this happened?
I don't know how my hand happened, no. I don't know if when he took it from me.
Close your eyes. See your go like this. Is there any marks on your arms that you can see?
No, I haven't.
No. I'm saying for this.
No. Just
Not worried about before.
There ain't nothing like. I got poison
Lift up your,
ivy.
put your neck up. Okay, you're fine like that. All right. You're about done with your statement, guys.
Yeah, I am.
I just met EMS in front of Mark Martin. I don't know if they're coming to you or somewhere else.
Okay. Yeah, I think they're coming up.
You mind to sign date? Sorry. You still want EMS?
I don't know. I guess not. My hand hurts so that.
Do you want to be checked by them or not?
I don't want to go to the ER.
Okay, I'll just cancel.
Okay.
Just ask you things you don't want to catch.
Here you go, sir.
Alright, are you done with that? Let me see. Looks like it's pretty fucking deep.
Yeah, it hurts. Like, it hurts when I pick stuff up.
I'll just hold still for a minute.
Like that vein broke all the way across it. I mean, I don't want him going to jail. He's making me leave for the night.
Well, that's the thing. We can't make him leave because it's his house just like it's your house. Here's this here. That's going to be yours. All right, I'm going to read you a series of questions. I just need a yes, no, or I don't want to answer. Has he ever used a weapon against you? Have y'all, so y'all live together now, have y'all split up and then got back together? Are you employed?
No.
Has he ever tried to commit suicide?
Yes.
Is there anything else you want to tell me about the situation? No?
We've been together 5 years and off and on, off and on, off and on. We keep getting back together even though we can't stand each other.
Well, alright, that's going to be your
But I
little
do
packet
love
too. Well, I get that, but shit, if it ain't working out, I mean...
We're so different. Like, he likes one thing, I hate that thing, you know, and, I know we got a reason to separate, but 5 years of being together, I mean, all this stuff we've accumulated together, animals are included. I can't leave my goats.
Alright, wouldn't wipe it off. Let me take
Okay.
another picture of it.
Him going to jail and cooling off would probably be a good thing, but I don't want him to have that shit on his record.
Alright, hold it out just like this right here.
But I told him if he put his hands on me, I was going to call the cops on him.
Take a look at the wound.
No medical.
Alright, you got all y'all statement?
Yes, sir. He's already got him.
Oh, that yours? Go ahead and stand up for me. Turn around, place hands on somebody's back.
Where's the key that I'm supposed to? Yeah. Where's the car keys that I'm supposed to? Is that I need to call?
Yeah, I can.
Can I call Grandma Carol?
Yes, and my boss too.
Okay. You take your phone with you?
No, I'm gonna leave it here. I can't use it there.
Alright, there you go, buddy. Oops, sir. Do what?
Oh, for y'all. Last month she cut her wrist. She had any makeup.
Well, I'll come out here. I think I come up here on that when she was
She gets a little crazy.
during day shift. Alright, come over this way with me.
I'm 1015, 1 female, 1.5, 1015.
Alright, we'll get you right back here. Yeah!
You'll make a note.
It's an upside down setting.
What a weapon, I apologize. False static.
It's an upside down 7. So, no,
Oh my God, you take off 1% charge.
that's what it is. It goes across and up. Yep, just like that.
Alright, hang on. Have a seat right there for me. Which one are you?
This one.
I can get a finger through there, brother.
He's got more than this.
Well. With her marks, I'm going to go domestic battery third on him.
Yeah, I'll just do assault on family or household member on her.
And once I get the report knocked out, just email or